This product is a new addition to our Enagic family.
No question asked. Everyone must have this product.
This product is going to change your life.
Best part about this product that it has actual immediate proof on how the product actually works.
Akhirnya satu revolusi untuk protection environment kita telah berada di sini.
Now we'll be measuring the different radiation of these different gadgets that we have in our home and in our workspace. So this one is what we will use to detect the radiation. It's radiation detector RD9300. Okay, so this one is the M-Guard, which is the anti-radiation device that protects us from radiation. So if it doesn't have light there, it's turned off. And if we turn it on, there will be light there. So right now, we'll be turning it off first so that we can measure the radiation of the different devices. Alright, so we'll turn this on. And you'll be measuring first the smartwatch. Okay, as you can see, the smartwatch registered, the highest it had registered is 1,500. Okay, and the iPod, the highest is 2,300. 1,500 and above, it's already extremely dangerous. So here, the highest is about 2,900. And our laptop. The laptop registered, the highest is around 2,900. Okay, so with this, we'll try to turn M-Guard on. Okay, so there's a light and the detector automatically goes to 0. Okay, we'll try the smartwatch, the iPod, and the phone, and the laptop. So what will happen if we turn this off? The M-Guard. Okay, the radiation goes back again. Okay, so we turn this on again. Okay, and there's no more radiation. Now we're going to measure the radiation of this TV. We're again using the radiation detector RD9300. So here we're going to turn this on, and the TV's radiation goes up to the highest of 2,100. Okay, and again, this is the M-Guard, which is the anti-radiation device. If we turn this on, there will be light here. Okay, we'll turn this on, and automatically there's no more radiation detected in our TV. Let's try to turn this off again. And the radiation goes back again. Let's turn this on. No more radiation. So this M-Guard protects us from the radiation, not just from our cell phone, but also from our TV and other entertainment devices.